Speaking of noted legal minds and legal profession, boy, this profession has been getting a knock from within because there are some things that have been happening that really are causing people to say, what is going on?
Yeah.
So the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Counsel has found Minette Lawrence guilty of professional misconduct following a complaint brought against her 5 years ago by information technology specialist businessman Keon Northover. As a result, she has been disbarred from the profession.
Well, she's actually appealing that decision, so I don't know if there's much more
we can say
or cannot say.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think Simone said it all. Yes, she is.
Okay.
But Simone said it all. The profession's been getting quite a knock. And
Okay.
what can there's not much that we can say. Yeah, I don't know if we can say much about this one either.
Oh, that's where we're going next. Go on now.
That's the other one. You have a second. The one next one.
Yes.
Paper.
Is this in the newspaper?
No.
This says brother, son of Diddy Coke, charged with murder. Son of extradited West Kingston strongman Christopher Diddy Coke, as well as one of Coke's brothers, have been charged by the police with murder and conspiracy to commit murder.
Not much we can say about that one either. Yes.
We can't tell you much about this one. So we told you guys, I think it could have been last week or maybe yesterday, that they were predicting an active hurricane season. But the National Hurricane Center says subtropical storm Alberto has come ashore on the Florida Panhandle. What? Already?
Yeah.
Miami-based center said in a 5 o'clock advisory, that was yesterday, that Alberta's core made landfall Monday at Laguna Beach in Florida, about 15 or 20 kilometers west-northwest of Panama City. Would that explain some of the breeze we've been getting?
Yeah, it probably would.
Forecasters say heavy rainfall and flash flooding are the biggest threats posed by the storm as it heads inland over the Florida Panhandle. Maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. Alberta is moving north at 9 miles per hour or 15 kilometers per hour. Such a tropical storm warning is in effect for a stretch of coastline between Osceola River in Florida's Big Bend and the Alabama-Florida border. And they say they hope it will weaken as it continues to move. So maybe that's an indication of what is going to come.
What is going to come. All right, not on the original hot topics, but I think it's interesting. The front page of the Gleaner says, devotion dispute. Schools insist on morning prayers, but not compulsory for all students.
This is not new though. Remember a couple of years ago we were talking about this? So it's back.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Is that Nadine Malloy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What is she?
They're saying that some others claim it was a boring and uncomfortable exercise. The person officiating went on well beyond his or her allotted time. This is students. And during all of this time, they had to stand in the broiling morning sun. So it's come back up again for discussion. I mean...
I used to stand in the broiling sun. Immaculate.
Let me tell you, some things...
When it got too hot, sister made us sit.
We get very... we become so lenient.
And Westerners.
We become,
Remember, this is a debate in foreign, you know.
I was just saying to my mother yesterday that you have some parents now have the pity them just wake up and say, what if you eat? And they eat and then go back to sleep and then get them and say, no more than that if you eat. And then when they become seniors, the parents, and they can't take care of themselves, the child not looking at them because they can't take care of them. Then I know how food buy, I know bill pay. And it's a cycle. Me wake up and say, not if you eat. I don't know.
So some people are going to tell you that we're a Christian country and so we ought to. Some people are going to say there are very religious, right? And people should have choice.
Yeah.
So which that debate will continue.
But this is not even about choice. This is not children saying I don't want to because I'm an atheist or I don't want to because I have another religion. This is children just saying, I'm not turning for my son, so I'm not going there. Didn't know we started having that kind of option. But
things and times have changed.
Well, I mean that
a lot.
So we have some problem.
Speaking of which,
this is good. NIA says more Jamaicans are reporting corruption.
That's a good sign.
Very good sign. Very good sign. Thank you, Trevor
Does that
Monroe.
mean we're moving away from the informal culture?
Well,
anyway, one step is a good step.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's good.
Land, civil matters, tax evasion, bribery against private individuals, government and private entities were among the issues for which citizens come to their office. Nice. Keep reporting it, people.
Have you seen that video with Mr. Vegas?
I have seen the video of Mr. Vegas.
May I ask you your
I have a
thoughts?
I'm not first of all, I'm not clear
on the context
why he was there.
Right.
I see some people saying he was invited to debate.
That's what I saw that, but I don't understand how or why that would be a thing. But that's what I saw on the latest piece.
So to me, if he was invited, then throwing him out was
wrong.
Wrong.
And also wrong.
Right.
And then not correct.
If he just showed up, then that's a problem. So that's the first thing I didn't get past before commenting. I didn't understand why it needed security guards and for it to escalate.
Yes. That was disturbing.
I thought there could have been a better way to deal with the issue.
And the round of applause at the way it was done.
Yeah, man, in a church.
Was just.
Yeah, man. Remind me of somehow we wouldn't look on the woman at the well, eh? So sometimes
she was seeking.
Yeah, we go church, but we don't know if we're in a church because church teaches different things.
Satisfied.
And I don't know why him didn't need so much security either. That was in somebody tell the video is that all about things about the video.
Yes.
When we just
Lots
never
of questions.
understand.
Lots of questions.
And then is it true that the women were sitting on one side of the church and the men on another side?
That's what somebody said to me yesterday, but I don't know. Is that true? But don't you know what Gina Jennings?
Of course, I did cuss already. Same say we're whores and prostitutes. And Mr. Jennings don't know nothing about me. So I have everything when say people can't wear. So Mr. Jennings don't know nothing about. So the fact that Vegas went there. Come again, Harrow? No, he has no right to call me a whore. No, Mr. Jennings has never propositioned me, and I've never accepted money from him for any kind of activity that would lead him to say so.
Harrow.
It's rude.
Harrow.
It's out of place. He should never, as a man of God, said that out of his mouth.
On a pulpit.
And what was the woman at the well? What profession was she?
Prostitute show.
So maybe that's why Vegas and I tell him to go in Bible. I don't know.
Yeah.
Somehow we talk about Jesus, but I don't ever really know about Jesus.
True.
But
that
me sit down on one side of the church and the man them sit down on one side, I don't know what that means. I don't know. I mean, God, the Holy Spirit, is the Holy Spirit gender specific? Like him, I go talk to woman over here, some man over there. So.
It's 2018, so maybe.
So if me sit alongside of one man, the Holy Spirit not gonna talk to me. I don't know, I don't get it. Pastor Jennings.
I wish we had the video. But
anyway, I feel church. People go. So.
Actually, people are applauding him, so obviously he has a following. Belgium.
So did the man who get the people in the Kool-Aid for drinking on a Guyana?
Yes. Jim, what's it, Jim?
The poison Kool-Aid, by the way.
Yeah, which is where the phrase "don't drink the Kool-Aid" comes from. Another stabbing. 2 policemen, I think, were killed in Belgium. Another Alu Akbar, another terrorist event. Yes. Just this morning, that's breaking. So lots of things are going on, not only at home, but abroad
as well.
All right.